Michael Jackson with her moonwalk. First, grab a melon and go to the syringe shop and get the emerald syringe and stab it at the melon and get the suit and turn it black and light it and get the shark and make it black and light it and put it in the melon and get the black shoe and make it black and light it and put it in the melon and get the hat and give it to the melon and go to the search section and get this. So many times until it gets slippery. Now go this shop and go to this eye and make him walk. There! Michael Jackson is doing her legendary moonwalk, but there's another way, but there's a cool way to get Michael Jackson. First, go to the NPC shop and find Michael Jackson. There, I found Michael Jackson. Now, I go to the syringe and get the emerald syringe and stab it at Michael Jackson. And delay that and get the suit and make it black, light it. And get a black shirt and make it light and black. And get her hat and go to the sword section and get the and stab it at Michael Jackson so many times. So she gets slippery. Go to get this eye and make him walk. There, Michael Jackson with her legendary moonwalk. See? That's how to do it.